Here I have LeTV L1S, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation that device by using the settings. So let's here find and select the settings, then let's scroll down and choose here restore factory settings right here and select here factory data reset. So this operation will erase your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone and tap reset. The device is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so as you can see, now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.